Hi guys, how are you today? Okay, today I'm going to show you a tutorial about data recovery using a tool which I have already tested, and the tool seems to be great, working very good, and was able to find some of the deleted files that I had to delete earlier, or I did the recovery based on what I have deleted uh, previously. So let me show you on how to actually use this tool, and let's do the testing on the tool, whether the tool can actually provide a good recovery or not. Okay, so let's say let's look at some of the videos I have, or for example here I'll show you let's say some videos that I created. So for example, I have this backup. Yep, I'll copy this one to my desktop, and then let's try to manually delete all of the files, even the entire folder, and see if we can actually recover these files. Okay, so you can normally, when you right click and then select delete here, your files will be stored in recycle bin, right? So what I'm going to do here is I will not use the normal deletion, not using this one. Definitely I'll delete this by pressing shift delete, and as you can see here, we got this prompt. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? And select yes. Now let's try to recover the file by using the tool that I will introduce you. Yeah, the name of the tool is actually this one, EasyUS Data Recovery. This is the data recovery wizard, technician edition. Yeah, and when you have successfully started this tool, you will see the hard drives for the meantime here. I mean, not right now you can see that I have three hard disk drives. What I'm going to do is to find the data in a specific location. You can actually select specific location and browse to your desktop and click OK. You could in fact select the user, like for example, this my username is Sammy Yulianto, and I could just scroll down to the desktop and try to find what do you call this or yeah, it's the same thing. Selecting desktop would allow you to focus on search or searching the deleted files on your desktop. Okay, so I will click scan. Of course, you can select the entire hard disk if you want to find data or deleted data on your hard disk, or just specific locations such as the desktop, right? So once you have determined the location, then you can just start scanning, start to find the lost files. It'll take a while to actually do the scanning. Yeah, so you can see this one. The tool started to scan the entire partition to actually find deleted files. It's gonna take a while, and as you can see here, yeah, fast scan completed. Now started with deep scan, which will allow you to search for more files. Yeah, and as you can see here, while the the deep scan started or is running. You can even see the information about the lost files, raw data, and specific lost files, categorized into camera, PDF, Office, and so on. Yep. Okay, so because the process will take about an hour, 1 hour, 20 minutes, so I have to pause this video for a while so that you can actually see the final result of our recovery. Okay, I'll get back to you after this. Hi, I'm back. Now, while waiting for the data recovery process to finish, the one I've shown you earlier, still running. Let us minimize this. I would also guide you to do the data recovery process by using different tool. Let me show you this tool. This is called, let me recall that one. Now the tool is called Task Disk. Yeah. When you downloaded this Task Disk, you will see two different utilities or tools. The first one is called Task Disk. You could actually run it as administrator. Click yes. This is actually the Task Disk. And the second tool that you could actually use is this one, PhotoRec. Okay. You could close this one. So the first tool that you can actually use is this one, the Task Disk. Yeah, you can actually check the Task Disk website by launching Chrome and just type Task Disk, and you will see, oops, something happened, detected unusual traffic. That's normal. Just click on the second result of Google search. Yeah, this is the Task Disk. Powerful free data recovery software, help you to recover lost partition and also make non-bootable disk bootable again. The second one is actually the tool called, on the left side you can actually see the PhotoRec. Yeah, both tools are coming from the same developer. I'll just click OK here. And PhotoRec is special, is the data recovery software designed to recover lost file, including videos, documents, and archives from hard disk, CD-ROMs, and lost pictures from digital camera memory. And it actually supports a lot of things, a lot of operating systems. Yeah, support a lot of operating system from DOS to Mac, support also from FAT to HFS used by Mac, and also support bunch of medias such as Canon and Pentax and so on. While this PhotoRec is specifically created to recover digital picture and file, Task Disk was actually designed to recover lost partition in case you lost the partition because of the virus or human error. All right, so take note on this website. It's actually from the cgsecurity.org. Of course, you can just use Google to search it. Yeah, and then once you download it, the latest version is version 7. And when you download it, you will see two different tools. What do you call this? On the same folder. And notice that, yeah, I've already started this tool. The first one would be more on finding lost sector, lost partitions, while the second one would be more on finding the data or the image, videos, and so on. So the process is quite simple. Yeah, So let me minimize the first one. I'm in the second one. Let me focus on the task disk. All you need to do is select create, and then it will automatically detect your media. In this case, I only have one, and then press enter to proceed. It will also this tool will also automatically detect your partition type. You just need to press enter, and then you could actually do the analysis, and you can perform quick search. Just press enter and it will do the quick search. Okay, so because I don't have any loss partition or row disk, so I could just stop this tool and go back. Okay, as you can see here, this is the result. It will take a while to actually do the searching. Yeah, so I'll skip this because our focus is not actually using this tool. Yeah, I can just click or press Q to finish and quick, and then select quick. Now the second tool is the PhotoRec, which focuses on finding lost files, specifically videos and photos deleted or accidentally deleted by us. So in case you have lost photos or videos on your disk or on your flash disk or other medias such as flash disk, USB flash disk, or even SD card, you could actually use this to do the recovery, and it will automatically search for them. Yeah, so to use this is quite simple. Run it as admin, and then it will automatically detect our partition type, and then all you need to do is select proceed, as you can see here, and then it will automatically detect all of the partition I have. Yeah, select the first one and select search. Yeah, of course you can go back if you want, and select next to select the FAT, NTFS, or HFS plus or Razor file system. This is by default set to other. And you can see here, you could select the directory or focus on a specific destination folder. Okay, so you could just go back to the directory. Yeah, go upper level. Yeah, by selecting the dot dot, and then go to the root if you want. Yeah, and then perhaps next time I will also create a video tutorial video on using this tool specifically to find lost data on flash disk, or even like the other media types, yeah, such as the micro SD for your cameras. Okay, so for the meantime, I'll just select Q to skip or to exit. And let's go back. Oh, still running. Okay, all right. So I have to cut this video for a while. I have to stop this one, and then while waiting for the process to finish. So we still have like 1 hour 10 minutes. So I'll get back to you when this tool has successfully found our lost data that I have placed on my desktop. All right, so let's see later. Okay, so after quite a long period of time waiting for the recovery process, so far about 1 hour 50 minutes, something like that. We can see the result now. So let's see if we can actually cover several things here. So we got the cameras. Let me see. Desktop. Yeah, we saw several documents have been recovered, and you can also see. Let me maximize this. We could actually see that some of the files have been recovered, more lost files. Okay, so let's scroll down. Yeah, so from here you could actually see whether we have recovered some files or not. Like for example, I have some document files recovered. Okay, and the file name is like sequence, like 21, 20, 19, 18, and so on. You could actually sort this based on the file name from file 000 up to 21. Yeah. We can also find MP4 multimedia, same thing. So from the desktop, we can only find abstract 09 Julie, something like that. Quite tough actually to find the files that have been deleted. Yeah, from the recycle bin we can recover desktop INI files. Yeah, so from here we got cameras, we got PDF, we got Office, and artists. Yeah, and then for more lost files, raw files, we can actually look at whether we have lost or deleted, accidentally deleted different type of files from flash video up to ANI file. Yeah, so you found I mean, if you have lost or accidentally deleted different type of files, you could actually look for the files from this particular more lost files in raw format. Yeah, so based on my experience, I was able to recover some of my videos that I have accidentally deleted from my hard disk by running this data recovery wizard, EasyUs, and after about 1 hour plus recovering process, I found the files inside this more lost files. Okay, so pretty good tool from my opinion. Of course, if you want to compare to other tools, you have to do the some testing, and just to make sure that you have, or you can cover or recover, recover your deleted files. Yeah, so that's about the EasyUs or EasyUs data recovery wizard technician. Okay, so the website of this can be found, let me just check. You just type easyus.com and find this recovery wizard for Windows. So they also have a free version which also allows you to actually recover up to 2 gigabyte for free. And if you upgrade it to Pro, the recovery files would allow you to have more data to recover. Actually, it's unlimited. All right, so that's all for now. I'll do more tutorials on different kind of software techniques and anything about information technology, computer, and so on. All right, see you guys. See you next time.